How to fix Instagram story has no sound. Well, hi everyone and welcome back to Create, Login and Delete. Without any further ado, let's head over to the video. This issue may have caused due to a lot of reasons, but generally how this might happen is that your phone's volume is all the way down. So the very first thing is to make sure that your volume is up. Once it is done, head over to your application Instagram. So let's head over to someone's story. Well, if the story contains sound but if you still can't hear it, then what you need to do is make sure that you tap the volume up button. So this is all you have to do. Well, if it still doesn't fix your problem, then what you can do is go back and head over to Play Store. Search for the application Instagram. Here, instead of open, if it says update, then you need to update your application to the latest version. Updating the application to the latest version will fix the issue that you have been facing on Instagram. So this is it for today, and this was our tutorial video on how to fix Instagram story has no sound. I really hope this video is gonna help you out. Thanks for watching it till the end.